All right, Brian, thank you. Well, flooding is causing some major issues in areas, leading local officials to take all precautions necessary to keep people safe.
Greene County is one of those regions that's experienced heavy rain, causing crews to shut down roads and even some parks. 2 News reporter Julian Jackson is in Greene County. He joins us live now for a better look.
Hey, Lauren, Jack, we're on Graff Mill Road near the intersection of Washington Mill Roads and Bellbrook. And while the rain has subsided quite a bit, I don't want to jinx it, still felt some sprinkles. But I can tell you, though, that this has shut down some roads, it's shut down some parks, and officials are doing everything they can to keep people safe. Now, let me go ahead and let you take a look at what we're seeing behind us. And a man who lives in the house on the property we're standing on right now said that these water levels have definitely risen throughout the day. We have seen some cars try to drive through before realizing there wasn't any way for them to pass safely. Needless to say, they had to turn around and go back to where they came from. Now, I spoke to a couple people off camera who tell me they haven't seen rain like this in a while. One woman says standing water in the front yard of her parents' home hasn't crossed over the driveway in years. Another man who lives off 725 near Lower Bellbrook Road says the road being shut down for him serves as a minor inconvenience, but he's used to it, having lived in the area for more than 20 years. I also talked with a park ranger with Greene County Parks and Trails who says high water and flooded areas need to be taken seriously. If you think you can, or you or your car can make it through an area, you still don't know what's under the water, and that could really put you in danger. Park Ranger Lance Geldball is urging everyone to make good decisions and avoid going into areas that are closed off.
If you park your vehicle in what you think is a dry area, it may not become one before you get back to your car. It might be underwater. If any gates are closed, if there's any barricades, don't go around those. We don't want to have to cite anybody for doing that. And it's just for your safety, our safety, and any people that have to respond to assist you if you get into trouble.
Now, going through these roads with the signs that say that it's closed, it can cost you high water fines of $2,000, and you don't want to have to do that, and they don't want to have to save anyone who goes out into these waters. Now, coming up next at 6, we are going to be hearing more from Park Ranger Geldball, as well as a local plumbing expert on what you should do if you have standing water in or around your home to avoid some of those costly repairs. Live in Bellbrook, Julian Jackson, 2 News.